Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can use the Lensa AI application. So to do so, what you will have to use is your phone. This application is on phones, not on PCs. So make sure to grab your phone and let's follow me in this tutorial. So now what you are going to do is head up to your App Store from your iPhone and then go to search and here tap the name of the application, which is Lensa AI, and click on search. Right after that, a bunch of applications will be showed up for you, and the only application that we need is this one that we have here, which is a black background with a circle on it. So that is the application. It has like so much downloads, and it is so much popular now. So make sure to download this version of it. Now what you will have to do is basically click on open, and it will be open just like so. So here we click on agree on terms and privacy policy and click on continue. So here it is, and here what you will have to do, if you want, you can click on continue to see all the different images and transitions that they make. You can make a lot of editing on your pictures using this AI, which is really good. You can even change the color of your outfit. You can like here even you can edit videos, and there is like a bunch of options that you can use. Of course, you can go with the free trial option, which is this one, and you can of course just pay your monthly or your annual plan. And yeah, let's try the here and click on continue. After you do so, it will take you to this page. Now here you click on subscribe, you put your informations, and you click on sign in. So let's click now on this X, and let's try using this application now. So here, after you open it, it will be shown up for you three options: photos, videos. Here if you click on skip, of course here if you want to watch all of this stuff, you can click on continue. Here they will show you all of different options that you can use on your videos. Here let's like you can add beats, you can add like effects, and a lot of stuff. Here's the settings. Here you can see all your profile settings, subscriptions, customize some stuff, your appearance, help center, and rate app, and etc. So let's start with photos. Here we can drag a photo. Here they ask you to make them go to your like they ask you for notification that they can send you notifications. If you agree, click on allow. For me, I will not agree on that, and here we go. So now what you are going to do is choose a photo, and to do so, I don't think I have a good photo. So what I'm going to do is just you can just drag whatever photo in here, and you can start editing it right after that. So wait for me after find some good photo, and I will be back to you guys. So be back soon. So here I am back, guys, to you. Now here is the picture, and here is the different layers that you can add. For example, here is like they show you what you can do. For example, if you click on this one, you can see it. If you click on that one, there's like multiple options of filters. Here is like a background like editing tool. Here's the adjustments if you want to adjust something like the balance, white balance. Okay, this looks good actually. Here is you can edit the lightning, the contrast, the saturation, and much more. Here's some effects, which is like all the effects are in here. If you want to add this one here, add this one here. There's like so many options that you can actually use on your pictures. Here's this one, and yeah, they make so much aesthetic filters and stuff like that. So it will be perfect for you if you have the filter in your mind. They have like multiple filters, so anything in your mind will be possible for you to edit your pictures without needing any like design or like any design experience or being an artist. You can just use these filters, and you will be ready to go, and you will be like have like high quality edited pictures. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use this application. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.